Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys, and today in this video let's now we are going to do unboxing of Zebronics mini Wi-Fi USB adapter guys. Actually now today we are going to unbox, plus now we are going to install this USB Wi-Fi adapter to our newly built PC actually, just because we need to access internet through Wi-Fi in our newly built PC actually. Let's come on guys, just now it's time to take this out. Actually I purchased this Wi-Fi USB adapter in Amazon guys, at rupees cost of 249 rupees. It's very cheap only. Yeah, let's come on, just first we need to take this out. Yeah, here you can see here's the Zebronics USB 150 Wi-Fi dongle. Actually it will support up to 150 Mbps guys, here you can see, and it supports 2.4 GHz only. There is no 5G 5 GHz in this Wi-Fi adapter. It will not support. Okay, just open it up, and here you can see here's the cover: USB interface, access point mode, compact design, advanced WPA2 security. It's good. Okay, just it's now time to take this out. Let's come on. Oh, okay. First they are providing a CD for drivers, it seems. Okay, just keep this aside, and here you can see guys, here's the Zebronics. Actually it's not focusing properly. Here you can see here's the Zebronics adapter, USB Wi-Fi adapter for our newly built PC actually. There is no Wi-Fi connection is there guys, for our PC. If you are new to this video, means just watch our previous video guys, because we have built a PC from scratch. In previous video you can see. And okay guys, actual PC is near to me only. Actually just a minute, I will show you. Yeah, here you can see here's the PC. I'm going to plug this here. Yeah, come on. Okay, or else I'm going to plug this here. Okay, it's got fitted. And okay guys, now it's time to download a driver for this Wi-Fi USB adapter. Actually guys, there is no internet connection for this now currently, plus I'm not having any Ethernet connection too for internet. So now what I'm going to do means, just now I'm going to take my laptop and I'm going to download a driver through browser, and I'm going to copy the driver to USB pen drive, and after copying that, just I'm going to insert that USB pen drive here. Just we can install a driver in this PC guys actually. Let's go on, that is the process. Now we are going to do that. Yeah, and okay guys, here you can see I have inserted a pen drive in laptop. Just we need to copy the driver and just type like this guys, https semicolon hyphen zebronics.com pages/driver. Just click on that, and here you can see guys, here's the Zebronics official page for downloading a driver. And now what you need to do means, just take this box and see this model number, model USB 150 WF1. Just here we can search USB 150. Yeah, here you can see here it's came, and guys here you can choose a MediaTek guys. Just I'm going to download a MediaTek. It's downloading now. Just I'm going to copy this driver to pen drive. Actually both are nearly same only, MediaTek and Realtek. There's no difference, but anyway, just now currently I'm downloading a MediaTek. Okay, it's going to complete. Okay guys, it's now got completed. Just I'm going to copy this file to USB drive. Let's come on. Here is my pen drive. Just copy it. Okay, it's got completed. Let's come on guys, just now we need to take this pen drive out, and just we need to insert that pen drive in our PC actually. Guys, okay, now I'm going to turn on this PC. Yeah, I've turned on. Okay, it's came. Okay, it's turning on, and let's come on guys. Just now I'm going to insert this USB drive here in this CPU. Let's come on. Okay, I have inserted. Just open a file explorer, and then here you can see here's the USB drive which we have inserted in this CPU, and just copy and paste this in this folder in our internal storage, and then first extract it all. Okay, got it. And now it's time to install guys, and here you can see here's the various things over there like Mac, Linux and all. Just click on Windows if you're using a Windows means, and then just make it run as administrator. Just click yes. Okay, now just click I accept the license. Just click next, and install driver and media LAN utility. Just click on this. Just click next, and click to begin install. Just click to install. It's installing. Just please wait. Okay, showing. Okay, it's installing guys, just we need to wait. Okay, finally it's got installed, and okay guys, finally you can see finally we have installed this driver, and okay, just click to finish, and then close it up. And okay guys, just it's now time to check. Just click on this globe icon, and here you can see the Wi-Fi option, it's now showing. Just click on that, and here you can see here's the list of my nearby Wi-Fi connections. It's showing Wi-Fi signals, but what means 5 gigahertz it will not support guys in this USB Wi-Fi adapter. It only shows you the 2.4G. Okay, just anyway I'm going to connect it up. Just click on connect. It's asking a password. I need to enter it up. I have entered my password. And okay guys, finally here you can see it's now got connected. And guys, if it is showing like unable to connect through this network, likewise it's showing means just what you need to do means just go to search, and then go to run, and just type hcpa.cpl. just click OK, and then here you can see here's the Wi-Fi. It will shows you like this here. Just click on this, and then right click on this, and then click property, and then go to configure, and then go to advanced, and then go to bandwidth. Just switch to 20 megahertz guys. Okay, just select this 20 hertz only, don't select this. If it is not connecting means just switch to this 20 megahertz only guys. It is already in 20 megahertz only for me. This I am telling. If you're facing any issues means like it will shows you like unable to connect to this network, like that kind of error showing means just you can try that method guys, it will works. And okay guys, getting this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt means just ask in blog comment section guys. I will reply as soon as possible, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye, I will see you in next video.